Students, now we will take some applications based on the electric field at a point due to a straight wire of infinite length having uniform linear charge density, or you can say the plane sheet of charge. अब say for example we are having two parallel plane sheets of charge and say surface charge density for both the sheets is same, means sigma, and the type of charge is also same, and say we have to calculate the electric field at a point A, B and C, means the point between the sheets and point on the outside part of the sheet. Now if you see at point A, then rule is simple, place the test charge. In this case, if you place the test charge, then this one is positive, so first sheet will repel it one and second sheet will also repel. So direction of electric field due to these two sheets is opposite for the point lying between the sheets. Whereas if you take this one, then both the sheets are repelling, the direction of electric field is same, and for this side also direction of electric field is same. So we can say the net electric field at a point between the sheets is E1 minus E2. The value is 0 if value of surface charge density is same for the two sheets. And for the point outside the sheet, we are having both the values will be added, so we get sigma upon epsilon naught. And for direction will be, for positive sheets will be away from the two sheets on both the sides. If we take oppositely charged plane sheets of charge, means plus sigma and minus sigma, then you know that plus sheet will repel and negative sheet will attract the test charge. So for the point between the sheets, the electric fields will be there in the same direction. Similarly, if we take the point outside the two sheets, now the negatively charged sheet will attract it and positively charged sheet will repel the test charge. So values are in opposite direction on this side also and this side also. The net electric field between the sheets will be E1 plus E2. So if we add the two values, because surface charge density is same, the overall value is sigma upon epsilon naught, and for the point outside the sheets, the value is 0. If the surface charge densities are different, then we will have the general formula. In this case, for point A, it is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. And for point outside, it will be sigma 1 minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. And accordingly, we can say the direction. In this case, the direction is depending upon which value is more. Means sigma plus side means the plus sigma is more or minus sigma in this case. Okay? So that way, accordingly, we say between the sheet, here both the side the value is 0, and here we can say it is towards the negatively charged sheet, means from positive to the negative plate. Now one more question we are saying, this question was there in 3 marks in the board exam. The question was saying, can electron is revolving along a straight wire and the center of the orbit of the electron is matching with the wire. Now in that case, if the linear charge density is lambda, then we have to calculate the expression for the kinetic energy of the electron, and we have to show the variation of kinetic energy with linear charge density. Now you know in this case, whenever the body moves in a circular path, we say the centripetal force is required. And in this case, the electrostatic force will provide the necessary centripetal force. And for the straight wire, electric field is given by lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r, which we have derived in the previous video. So on solving, we get Q into E is the electrostatic force, that is mv square upon r. The E lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r, because type of charge is or magnitude is E, and mv square upon r. On solving, we get the value of mv square as E lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught. Now you know kinetic energy is half mv square, so we get E lambda upon 4 pi epsilon naught. And since kinetic energy is directly proportional to lambda, the graph between kinetic energy and lambda will be a straight line passing through origin. Similarly, second question we are saying कि plane sheet of charge we are having, and this charge 17.7 into 10 power minus 4 is distributed uniformly on the plane sheet. Area is given 200 meters square. So we have to calculate the electric field at a distance 20 centimeter from the sheet. So in this case, we calculate the surface charge density first, that is Q upon A. We get 17.7 into 10 power minus 4 upon 200. That is 8.85 into 10 power minus 6. And you know for plane sheet, E is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So on substituting the values, epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. Then we get the value 5 into 10 power 5 Newton per Coulomb. Thanks. It's all for the day.